Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. How do you usually take care of your nails? Personally, I rarely use nail polishes. But still, on special occasions, I love to have pretty nails. If I were to use nail polish, I'd like to use one with a beautiful design pattern, but I'd rather not have to go to a salon to have it done. I believe there are many people in the same camp. As you know, origami is made from Japanese washi paper. Have you ever wished you could have nails with such a beautiful patterns? I have. So on another YouTube video, I made nail origami templates. Oh, and please check out the details on how to create these templates. In the process of making this video, I found that the thinner the paper you have, the easier it will stick to the nail and the harder it will be to peel off. So I used masking tape to peel off some layers of the washi to make them as thin as possible before attaching them to my nails. The thin washi stuck to my nails with no problem and lasted at least 5 days. Now let me ask you what comes to your mind when I say thin paper. I bet you thought of tissue paper and not washi. That is okay, I will use tissue paper in this video. There are many tissue paper patterns, some so beautiful that I use them to cover my masks. So this time I will use this template to create Halloween-themed nail decorations by using tissue paper. Different colors of tape are used to differentiate between the right and left hands. Each template is numbered on the back, making it easy to see which paper goes with which nail. If the base coat is not soaked into the tissue, it will separate from the nail after the top coat is applied, so make sure they are firmly attached at this point. tip happened to be peeled off here. In such a case, just cut it off from the tissue and stick it back on. Apply the first top coat and check to see that the paper is not peeling. If peeling, use a stick to reattach it again. I know you must be wondering how long will they last. It depends on how it is finished and maintained. These are nails after 4 days. You could see the tips of the 3 nail tips on my right hand, which I use most often, are peeling off. This time for this video I left it without maintenance for 4 days. If you find a paper peeling from the nail, please take care of it immediately. Also, by the time, there will be a little gap forming at the cuticle border. So I usually apply some glitter nail polish by the 4th day. The glitter in the nail polish makes the cuticle border less noticeable. And it would last the nails for another 3 to 4 days. Of course, if you only wish to show off your nail for a special occasion, you don't have to worry about taking care of the nails as much. Just enjoy beautiful nails on that day. Once you have created the template, you can decorate your nails very easily by simply cutting out the paper you want to use. So by using the template, you see you can use not only origami but also tissue paper on your nails. If you are interested, please try it next time you do your nail. Also, if you are interested, please check out the video on how to make the templates. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See ya!